Hello and welcome to this NDTV special report on the night when an entire parliament session has gone to waste over political outrage over the coal allocation scandal, an effort that seems all the more cynical, given that it's now clear that politicians and their relatives from almost every party are implicated in Coalgate. But first, breaking news, the CBI's charges against the Darda brothers of Maharashtra, Congress MP Vijay Darda and his brother MLA and Minister Rajendra Darda. They've been charged by the CBI because the companies linked to their family are said to have wrongly acquired coal blocks, causing a huge political embarrassment to the ruling party. But now Sunetra Chaudhary has exclusive details of a twist in the tale. Sunetra, what is it that you're hearing?
Well, Srinivasan, first of all, I'd just like to show you, this is exclusively, we've obtained the first information report against Congress MP Darda and his family members and of course the partners, the Jaiswals. This is a 7-page FIR report which is being registered in the Metropolitan Magistrates Court in Tisazari. Now, why I mentioned that small detail is because it's interesting, Srinivasan. Other FIRs, there have been 5 FIRs which were registered on Monday. Out of the 5, only one, that's a Darda's FIR and the Jaiswal's FIR against JLD Yavatmal was lodged in that Tisazari court. The rest of them in a special CBI court. Why the discrepancy? Why the different treatment? Because we've got to know that it is only in the Darda FIR that they've put just criminal conspiracy and cheating and not Prevention of Corruption Act. Here it is where the charges come, criminal conspiracy and cheating. Whereas in all the other 4 FIRs, in almost all the same charges, they all have different modus operandi, but they have pretty similar, in fact, almost identical charges. However, only Prevention of Corruption Act has been put or not been put in this one. That's a JLD Yavatmal, making people think that perhaps this is the one that the CBI has been asked to go softer in. Why is it softer? Because Prevention of Corruption Act has higher punishment. It's up to 10 years, whereas the other one in the IPC, it's only up to 7 years.
That's very significant, Sunetra. The news that you're breaking is extremely significant. You're saying that of the 5 FIRs filed so far by the CBI against these companies, only the Dardas have been exempt from charges of corruption. They're the only 2 politicians named in these FIRs. They're members of the ruling party. They have only been slapped with cheating charges, not with corruption charges. The others all have corruption charges against them, even though the wording of the FIRs, the charges against all in terms of the language used is the same. But they've been exempt, and you're saying that's without any specific reason. The CBI has confirmed this to you, though. They've confirmed that they've drawn a distinction between the 2, but they've not spelt out the reasons why.
That's right. You know, this is completely confirmed because we have the charges here. Everything else is under the PC Act. The CBI is, of course, not giving us these FIRs out. We had to obtain them by our own means. What's interesting is what the CBI is saying. Now, the CBI says when we ask them for an official reaction to this, when we ask them, have you gone soft on them? Why haven't you put a PCR, Prevention of Corruption Act, against the Dardas in this FIR that's a JLD Yavatmal? Their reaction to that was, well, because we scrutinized their papers, they had misled them about, they had given wrong information in the application, and on scrutinizing the documents, we felt there was no role of a public official. Now, this seems a little strange as a reporter to me, Srinivasan, because one, if you just look through all the charges against all the other companies that they have, we've just taken a printout of them, and if I just read them out to you, they say, all of them say the same thing. They all say misrepresentation about group companies and earlier allocations to them. That's just infrastructure. Exactly the same charge against Yavatmal as well. And yet, only Yavatmal has been spared the corruption charge. Before I end, actually, I just want to point out what one lawyer, he's a lawyer in the 2G case, what he said to us about this when we asked him what he thought about it, because he's been, lots of people have drawn similarities between the 2 cases. It's interesting what he said. He said it's obvious that the CBI want to give differential treatment in this case, in the coal block allocation, and perhaps against them, because he said, if you look at the 2G one, which was also about allocations, all the companies were clubbed into a single FIR. Why is it that the companies have been broken up and given in different FIRs? That shows differential treatment.
Okay, so Sunetra Chaudhary there with the big breaking news that the two politicians, the two ruling party politicians named in the CBI's FIRs have actually been exempt from the corruption charges. Is this an example of preferential treatment already that we're seeing? Thanks very much indeed, Sunetra, for joining us. And also, this is significant because it could also see the other accused now saying that, look, why are we being slapped with corruption given that the charges, the vocabulary of the charges are exactly the same? Joining me now, let's go straight across to senior Congress leader Keshav Rao. Mr. Rao, we've heard repeated assurances from this government that there will be no interference in the CBI's investigation into Coalgate. How do you explain this tonight? That already we're seeing the only two Congress leaders named so far in the investigation exempt from corruption charges. Does this amount to interference? Does this amount to favoritism?
Look here, neither you have read those charge sheets, nor you have done the exercise over that. Whether Anti-Corruption Act is serious enough, First of all, you had called me in to talk about the Parliament logjam, and I was very clear I would not take up any cases, because once you take up the cases, you need to look into them. You see, you can't just talk only because somebody has produced some charges.
This is linked to the Parliament logjam. This is linked to the Parliament logjam because the logjam is also about ensuring that
I'm wrong, you are right, agreed. Look here, question is, when I am talking about Parliament, another matter. You see, since you are all the asked the question, the answer is simple. Unless in such cases we look into the charge sheet or the veracity of the things that we are saying, there is no comment at all, because it's serious enough. But whatever it is, these need to be looked into. If it is serious thing, seriously, it has to be viewed, and everybody has to be brought in the book, provided it provides fun.
Okay.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.